Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos in your gallery in your Xiaomi 13 Lite. First of all, open your gallery, standard application on this phone, and press and hold like this and select some photos, what you wanna hide. For example, I wanna hide these 3 photos, and now type add to album button and choose here private album. Here we got message: to view the items you made private, swipe down in albums, tap OK. Now tap OK again. And now we got message added to private album. So go to our albums, press and hold and swipe to down. And here we got message release to open private folder. Tap OK. Enter our privacy protection password. Tap cancel. And here we got all our hidden photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.